Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A54. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for the settings. Now make sure that you're on top of the page and then make the combination of a power key and volume down key at the same time. You'll need to hold it for about 1 second. Now click on this button right here under the screenshot. It will begin scrolling down the page each time you click on it. You can always stop when you're satisfied with your screenshot, but I'm gonna go to the bottom. Now here we have it, and let's click on the screenshot. It should open with gallery, and here we can see the full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.